So this is your Friday assignment. And our learning target, I can write an ending to the lady or the tiger. So this is the fun part. So you're going to get to write your own ending. So I'm just going to read over this really quick for you. I'm reading right here. Because the author didn't give us an ending, we're going to write our own. For this assignment, you will write the ending to the story, The Lady or the Tiger. Write what door you think the princess told her lover to open and explain why using examples from the story. This ending should be 6 to 8 sentences long. Some things to think about to give you ideas while writing. Okay, so real quick, so you're going to write your ending, but you're going to tell, your readers what you think happened. And you're going to kind of act like you're the author of this story and you're writing your ending. But you can't just, tell what you think happened without explaining why. So what I mean by explaining, you've got to use examples from the story. So if you think the princess, told her lover to open the door with the lady behind it, you have to use examples from the story that back that up. So one reason would be that she loves him and she doesn't want him to die. And it says that in the story. So that would be an example from the story that you could use. And remember, this is 6 to 8 sentences long. You got to have it at least 6 to 8 sentences long, somewhere around there. And I just kind of gave you, if you're lost and you don't really know what to write about or how to finish out this story, I gave you some talking points to kind of, talk about. So what happens when the man opens the door? Is it the lady or the tiger? And then why did the princess make this decision? How does the princess react? How does the man react? Do they ever speak again? What does the princess's decision say about her and her character? How similar are the princess and her father? Remember, her father's the king. He's the one that came up with this whole arena thing. And then do you think the princess will carry on her father's judicial system in the arena? Meaning, do you think she's going to, continue on this tradition that he has come up with? And you don't have to use these, but if you're just lost, these are some really good, questions to answer in your writing. So try and be creative with this, and have fun with it, because this story is it's interesting, and you don't get very many opportunities to write your own ending to a story. So make the best out of it and just have fun with it.